Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Home Style. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So my all friends, today in this video I am providing trendy and beautiful vanity ideas. All the ideas are so amazing and fabulous. Here are some contemporary ideas to inspire your vanity look. Floating vanity design, wall mounted, creating a clean and airy look. Features minimalist drawers, built-in LED lighting under the vanity for a floating effect. Material glossy finish, tempered glass or natural wood. Integrated lighting design, vanity with built-in LED lighting around the mirror. Features dimmable lights, touch controls, and ambient lighting options. Material chrome brushed metal or sleek painted wood. Minimalist vanity with mirror cabinets. Design simple streamlined vanity with a mirror that doubles as a cabinet. Features hidden storage behind the mirror and soft close hinges. Material matte or glossy finish integrated with natural stone tops. Scandinavian inspired vanity. Design clean lines, light wood finish, and functional simplicity. Feature opening shelving or a combination of drawers and a compartments. Minimalist hardware. Material light oak or beach white accent and natural fibers. Industrial chic vanity. Design raw and edgy with exposed metal and wood. Feature metal frames, reclaimed wood surfaces, and industrial style lighting. Material black steel, dark wood, and concrete. Compact corner vanity. Design perfect for small spaces, fits neatly into a corner. Feature triangular shapes, built-in storage solution, and compact mirror. Material high gloss finish, mirrored surfaces, and minimalist hardware. High tech vanity. Design incorporates smart technology for added convenience. Feature Bluetooth speakers, USB chargers, ports, touch screens, mirror with built-in display. Material high gloss surfaces, mirrored finish, and sleek metal accents. Dual purpose vanity and desk. Designs multifunctional pieces that serves as both a vanity and a workspace. Features pull-out drawers for makeup storage, a spacious desktop, and a large mirror with task lighting. Material wood veneer, metal legs, and integrated lighting. Eco-friendly vanity. Design made from sustainable metals with a focus on eco consequences. Features recycled wood, bamboo, and eco-friendly finish. Material sustainable wood, natural finish, and non-toxic paint. Luxury vanity with marble top. Designs elegant and sophisticated with a marble countertop. Feature soft closed drawers, gold or brass hardware, and a large mirror. Materials marble, high quality wood, and metallic accents. When designing your modern bedroom vanity, consider the overall aesthetic of your bedroom, the amount of space available, and your storage needs. Personalize your vanity with decorative elements like a stylish stole, a vase of fresh flowers, or a tray for perfumes, and a jewelry to make it both functional and beautiful. Vintage vanity designs charming and nostalgic. Features antique style vanity table, ornate mirror, cushioned stool. Material wood with distressed finish, brass or bronze hardware. Detailed decorative knobs, floral patterns, vintage perfume bottles. So guys, I hope you all are love these all vanity ideas. So please share this video with your friends, families and relatives who want these types of vanity ideas. I hope they will love all these vanity ideas. Also please subscribe my channel for new and trending ideas related to all home decor. Also please like, comment and share. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.